Are you dreaming of owning your own home, but think it's impossible in today's market? What if I told you that you could get a spacious, modern barndominium for under $100,000? I'm talking move-in ready metal buildings that combine rustic charm with contemporary living. Today, I'm breaking down 7 prefab barndominiums that won't break the bank. Stick around until the end because number 5 is an absolute game changer for families. But before we dive in, if you're serious about affordable homeownership, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post new, budget-friendly housing options every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The barndominium trend has exploded over the past few years, and for good reason. These steel frame buildings offer durability, energy efficiency, and that open concept living everyone wants, all at a fraction of traditional home costs. But here's the catch. While the shell might be affordable, you need to understand what's actually included in these prices. Let's get into it. Home 1. Mueller Steel Buildings, the starter package. First up, we have Mueller Steel Buildings. Their basic 30 by 40 barndominium shell starts around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on your location and customization. Now, this is a shell, meaning you're getting the metal frame, roof, walls, and basic doors and windows. You'll need to add insulation, interior walls, plumbing, electrical, and finishing yourself. Realistically, with DIY work, you could complete this for $70,000 to $85,000 total. What I love, Mueller has been in business since 1999, and their buildings are engineered to withstand harsh weather. The 30 by 40 gives you 1,200 square feet, which is perfect for a single person or couple. What to know? You're doing a lot of the work yourself or hiring contractors. This isn't turnkey, but if you're handy or willing to learn, this is an incredible deal. Home 2. General Steel, the mid-range option. Next is General Steel, offering their residential barndominium kits starting around $45,000 for a 40 by 60 structure. This gives you 2,400 square feet of potential living space. Again, this is the shell and framing kit. They include delivery and provide detailed instructions, but you're responsible for the build-out. With careful budgeting and doing some work yourself, you could finish this for $85,000 to $95,000 depending on your finishes and local labor costs. What I love, the extra square footage means you can create a multi-bedroom home or even include a workshop area. General Steel has excellent customer reviews for their support during the building process. What to know? Permitting and foundation costs vary wildly by location. In some rural areas, you might save thousands, but suburban areas can add $10,000 plus just in permits and site prep. Budget accordingly. Home 3. Worldwide Steel Buildings, the customizer's dream. Worldwide Steel Buildings offers 30 by 50 barndominium shells starting around $38,000. That's 1,500 square feet to work with. They're known for their customization options, so you can add extra windows, upgrade to premium doors, or adjust the roof pitch for that classic barn aesthetic. Finished, you're looking at $75,000 to $90,000 if you're strategic about your finishes and do significant DIY work. What I love, their design team will work with you to create exactly what you envision. Want a loft? They can engineer it. Want extra high ceilings? They've got you. What to know? Customization costs add up fast. Stick to the basics if you're trying to stay under $100,000. Also, their lead times can be 8 to 12 weeks, so plan ahead. Home 4. Armstrong Steel, the energy-efficient choice. Armstrong Steel has been building for over 30 years, and their 40 by 50 barndominium kits start around $42,000. With 2,000 square feet, you've got room for 3 bedrooms and an open living area. What sets Armstrong apart is their focus on energy-efficient design with proper insulation packages available. Total cost with finishes, $80,000 to $95,000, depending on how much you DIY. What I love, their steel buildings are LEED certified eligible, meaning long-term energy savings. The metal roof reflects heat, cutting cooling costs significantly in summer. What to know? Armstrong has excellent financing options if you don't want to pay cash up front. But remember, financing the shell separately from the build-out can get complicated with some lenders. Home 5. Pole Barn Direct, the family-size surprise. Here's that game changer I mentioned. Pole Barn Direct offers 40 by 60 post-frame barndominiums starting around $48,000. Now, technically this is post-frame, not all steel, but it's in the barndominium family and offers incredible value. You get 2,400 square feet, and post-frame construction can actually be easier to finish out yourself than traditional steel framing. Completed, you could stay in the $85,000 to $98,000 range with smart choices. What I love, post-frame buildings are easier to insulate and run utilities through than all steel structures. Plus, that 2,400 square feet means a family of 4 could live very comfortably here. The cost per square foot is hard to beat. What to know? Post-frame requires proper foundation and site prep. Your building site needs to be level and have good drainage. Also, while durable, post-frame may require more maintenance than all steel over 30-plus years. This is honestly one of the best values on this entire list if you need space for a family. Home 6. Rhino Steel Buildings, the quick build. Rhino Steel specializes in fast delivery barndominium shells. Their 35 by 50 models start around $40,000. That's 1,750 square feet, a sweet spot for many buyers. Rhino's claim to fame is their quick turnaround, often delivering in 4 to 6 weeks. With finishes, you're looking at $78,000 to $92,000 total. What I love, if you need to move quickly or have a tight timeline, Rhino delivers. Their buildings meet or exceed local building codes nationwide, and they handle the engineering calculations for you. What to know? Quick delivery is great, but make sure your end is ready. Have your foundation poured and your contractor lined up. The building sitting on-site waiting costs you nothing but time and potential weather exposure. Home 7. Sunward Steel, the DIY special. Last but not least, Sunward Steel Buildings offers 30 by 40 DIY-friendly kits starting around $32,000. At 1,200 square feet, this is perfect for someone willing to put in serious sweat equity. Sunward includes detailed instructions and even offers phone support during your build. Total cost, if you do most of the work yourself, $65,000 to $85,000. What I love, this is the lowest entry point on our list. If you're handy, willing to learn, and have time, you can own a home for less than most people spend on a new car. Sunward's customer service is repeatedly praised in reviews. What to know? DIY friendly still means significant work. You need basic construction knowledge or be willing to hire help for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Don't underestimate the time commitment. Plan for 6 to 12 months of part-time work if you're doing this nights and weekends. Reality check. Okay, let's talk reality for a minute. These prices are for the shells or basic kits. To turn these into livable homes, you need foundation, $5,000 to $15,000. Insulation, $3,000 to $8,000. Interior framing and drywall, $8,000 to $15,000. Plumbing, $5,000 to $12,000. Electrical, $4,000 to $10,000. HVAC, $3,000 to $8,000. Flooring, $2,000 to $6,000. Kitchen and bathrooms, $8,000 to $20,000. Finishing touches, $3,000 to $10,000. If you hire everything out, you could easily spend another $50,000 to $70,000. But if you're willing to DIY 50 to 70% of the work, you can absolutely keep your total under $100,000. Also, land costs aren't included here. Rural land can be $2,000 to $10,000 per acre, while suburban lots cost much more. So there you have it. 7 legitimate prefab barndominium options under $100,000. These aren't pipe dreams. They're real companies building real homes for real people all over the country. My personal pick, if you're solo or a couple and handy, go with Sunward for maximum savings. If you got a family, that Pole Barn Direct option at number 5 gives you the most house for your money. The barndominium lifestyle isn't for everyone, but if you value space, durability, and affordability over traditional suburban living, this could be your path to homeownership. What do you think? Would you live in a barndominium? Drop a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my video on financing options for alternative homes. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.